Hi, this is Bon with Tasty Fare 101, and today we are creating homemade Irish cream from scratch. First thing we're going to do is add heavy cream. Sweetened condensed milk, 1 14-ounce can. And 1 2/3 cup of Irish whiskey. All right. We'll add some instant coffee. Chocolate syrup. It's oozy. I'm gonna just stick my finger in there. I think that whiskey will disinfect anything that might be on my finger. I do love chocolate. And here's some vanilla extract. We'll just drop that right in there. That's about a teaspoon worth. And almond extract. All right, now that we have all of our ingredients into the blender, let's go ahead and blend for a minute. The next step is to put it into a container. Get yourself a container that you can put in the refrigerator when you're done. This will last for about a week, by the way. So happy drinking. And get yourself a nice little bottle with a cap and just pour your deliciousness right in there. Oh my, that looks fantastic. Nice and creamy. Oh my goodness, perfect. That's perfect size. Get that out of the way. And, well, what do? Put it in your coffee, drink it over ice. You can make white Russians with it. A lot of people use Kahlua, but you can also use Irish cream, right? Or maybe both, Irish cream and Kahlua, vodka and milk. Oof, I'm telling you, that's the best ever. So, now that that's done, I'm going to bid you adieu. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, please, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time. Keep cooking.